Want to speak English confidently? Speak, speak, learn, practice, improve. Speak English confidently every day. Let's speak English together.
I walk in the park. I walk in the park. I sit on a bench. I sit on a bench. I feed the birds. I feed the birds. I drink some water. I drink some water. I look at the flowers. I look at the flowers. I talk to my friend. I talk to my friend. I buy an ice cream. I buy an ice cream. I take a photo. I take a photo. I tie my shoes. I tie my shoes. I say goodbye. I say goodbye. I run in the park. I run in the park. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I read a book. I read a book. I listen to music. I listen to music. I ride my bike. I ride my bike. I play with my dog. I play with my dog. I eat my lunch. I eat my lunch. I check the time. I check the time. I pick up a leaf. I pick up a leaf. I rest for a while. I rest for a while. I draw a picture. I draw a picture. I watch the ducks. I watch the ducks. I throw the ball. I throw the ball. I put on my sunglasses. I put on my sunglasses. I open my umbrella. I open my umbrella. I buy a cold drink. I buy a cold drink. I meet my friend. I meet my friend. I take off my jacket. I take off my jacket. I look at the sky. I look at the sky. I go back home. I go back home. I smile at the baby. I smile at the baby. I wave at my friend. I wave at my friend. I cross the street. I cross the street. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. I wipe my face. I wipe my face. I throw away trash. I throw away trash. I say hello. I say hello. I look for my keys. I look for my keys. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I put on my hat. I put on my hat. I stretch my legs. I stretch my legs. I check the map. I check the map. I buy a balloon. I buy a balloon. I laugh a lot. I laugh a lot. I sneeze a little. I sneeze a little. I listen to the birds. I listen to the birds. I touch the water. I touch the water. I chat with him. I chat with him. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired. I put my phone away. I put my phone away. I look both ways. I look both ways. I smell fresh bread. I smell fresh bread. I buy a hot dog. I buy a hot dog. I do some yoga. I do some yoga. I close my umbrella. I close my umbrella. I put on sunscreen. I put on sunscreen. I use binoculars. I use binoculars. I count the ducks. I count the ducks. I jump happily. I jump happily. I hold her hand. I hold her hand. I blow some bubbles. I blow some bubbles. I climb the slide. I climb the slide. I sit on a swing. I sit on a swing. I catch the frisbee. I catch the frisbee. I put on my gloves. I put on my gloves. I drink hot coffee. I drink hot coffee. I see my reflection. I see my reflection. I pick a flower. I pick a flower. My feet hurt a little. My feet hurt a little. I have a small cut. I have a small cut. I help an old man. I help an old man. I share my snack. I share my snack. It's getting late. It's getting late. I call a taxi. I call a taxi. I carry my bag. I carry my bag. I take a selfie. I take a selfie. I write a postcard. I write a postcard. I feel the wind. I feel the wind. I had a nice day. I had a nice day. I wear a scarf. I wear a scarf. I watch the kids play. I watch the kids play. I feed the fish. I feed the fish. I fix my bag strap. I fix my bag strap. I buy a magazine. I buy a magazine. I take a short nap. I take a short nap. I wake up now. I wake up now. I look in a mirror. I look in a mirror. I say thank you. I say thank you. I walk fast now. I walk fast now. I stand under a tree. I stand under a tree. I check the weather. I check the weather. I put it in my bag. I put it in my bag. My dog is happy. My dog is happy. I buy some flowers. I buy some flowers. I read the sign. I read the sign. The sky looks nice. The sky looks nice. I pet my dog. I pet my dog. I lock my bike. I lock my bike. I had a great day. I had a great day.